Welcome back. Ever wondered what elite hackers use to break into systems and analyze networks? You're in the right place. Today, I'm revealing 12 secret, absolutely free hacking tools that top cybersecurity pros use in 2026. These tools can hack anything, from Wi-Fi networks to complex databases, and they're all free to download right now. Stick around till the end. Tool number 12 will blow your mind. Grab your hoodie, power up your laptop, and let's dive into the underground world of hacking tools. First up, let's talk about Nmap, the Swiss Army knife for network scanning and reconnaissance. If you're stepping into the world of cybersecurity, Nmap is likely the very first tool you'll encounter. It's a favorite among ethical hackers, penetration testers, and network administrators alike, thanks to its versatility and power. Nmap acts like X-ray vision for your digital world, revealing every device connected to your network, every open port, and even the operating systems running behind the scenes. Imagine being able to see the invisible highways and hidden doors of your network infrastructure. Nmap makes that possible with just a few commands. But Nmap isn't just about finding devices. It digs deeper, detecting vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and hidden services that could be exploited by attackers. Whether you're hunting for weak spots or simply want to understand your network better, Nmap gives you the insights you need. One of Nmap's most powerful features is its scripting engine. With it, you can automate complex checks, like scanning for outdated software, searching for backdoors, or even testing for specific vulnerabilities. This means you can customize your scans and save time, making your security assessments more thorough and efficient. Nmap is open source, completely free, and trusted by millions of professionals worldwide. It's the go-to starting point for any serious penetration test or security audit, and its community-driven development ensures it stays up to date with the latest threats and techniques. Getting started is simple. Just enter a target IP address or a range, and Nmap quickly maps out the entire digital landscape in seconds. You'll see a detailed report of every device, service, and potential vulnerability, all laid out in an easy-to-understand format. Whether you're a seasoned cybersecurity expert or a curious beginner, Nmap is an essential tool for anyone who wants to know exactly what's happening on their network. Its power, flexibility, and ease of use make it a must-have in your digital toolkit. So, if you're ready to start your hacking journey or simply want to secure your own network, there's no better place to begin than with Nmap. Download it, explore its features, and unlock the secrets of your digital environment today. Next, Metasploit Framework, the ultimate exploitation toolkit. Metasploit helps you find, test, and exploit vulnerabilities with a massive library of exploits and payloads. Load a vulnerability, set your target, and launch real-world attacks, just like the pros. Even beginners can follow guides and run powerful tests in minutes. It's open source, with a global community adding new features all the time. If you want to see how attackers break in or test your own defenses, Metasploit is a must-have. Remember, use it ethically. Coming in at number 3 on our list is Wireshark, the undisputed master of network traffic analysis. Whether you're a cybersecurity professional, a network administrator, or just a curious tech enthusiast, Wireshark is an essential tool that gives you unparalleled insight into what's happening on your network. With Wireshark, you can capture and meticulously dissect every single packet that travels across your network. This means you're able to see the raw data as it moves in real time, revealing the hidden details and activities that are usually invisible to the average user. The powerful filtering system lets you zoom in on exactly what you're looking for, whether it's passwords, emails, or suspicious activity. You can set up custom filters to isolate specific protocols, IP addresses, or even keywords, making your investigation precise and efficient. Wireshark is perfect for diagnosing complex network issues, tracking down hackers, or simply learning how data flows through a network. It's a favorite among cybersecurity experts for its ability to uncover hidden threats and vulnerabilities. The software breaks down network traffic into easy-to-understand, color-coded pieces, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned professionals. You don't need to be an expert to start making sense of your network's activity. Best of all, Wireshark is open source and completely free to use. There's a huge library of tutorials and community support available, so you can start learning and mastering network analysis right away, no matter your skill level. If you want to truly understand and monitor everything happening on your network, Wireshark is your window into that world. It's trusted by professionals everywhere for its reliability and depth of features. So why wait? Download Wireshark today. dive into your network's inner workings and start exploring the fascinating world of packet analysis. Let's talk passwords, those secret codes that protect our digital lives, from social media accounts to sensitive work files. Every day we rely on passwords to keep our information safe, but how secure are they really? Enter John the Ripper, a legendary tool in the world of cybersecurity, famous for its ability to crack passwords at lightning speed. It's a favorite among both security professionals and hackers alike. John the Ripper can run billions of password combinations in just minutes, using advanced algorithms and learning from patterns found in real-world leaked passwords. This makes it incredibly effective at uncovering weak or reused passwords. One of John's greatest strengths is its versatility. It works on almost any operating system, Windows, Linux, macOS, and supports a huge variety of password hash types, making it a universal tool for password testing. Security professionals use John the Ripper to audit and test the strength of passwords within organizations, helping companies identify weak spots before attackers do. But on the flip side, hackers also use it to break into systems, exploiting weak passwords to gain unauthorized access to valuable data. The best part? John the Ripper is open source, completely free to download, and surprisingly easy to use, even for beginners who want to learn about password security. However, with such powerful tools comes a big responsibility. Always remember to only test systems you own or have explicit permission to access. Unauthorized use is illegal and unethical. With great power comes great responsibility. Using John the Ripper wisely can help make the digital world safer for everyone. Curious if your passwords are truly secure, or if they could be cracked in seconds? Testing them with John the Ripper can reveal surprising vulnerabilities. John the Ripper will show you exactly where your defenses are strong and where they need improvement. Don't be that guy who ignores security. Hack responsibly, stay informed, and always protect your digital identity. Ever wondered how Wi-Fi passwords get cracked? Meet Aircrack-ng. Capture wireless packets, analyze them, and launch attacks to recover passwords, even on WPA2 if they're weak. Security experts use Aircrack-ng to test their own networks and simulate real-world attacks. It's open source, works on most laptops, and has a huge community. Want to see if your Wi-Fi is secure? Aircrack-ng is the tool to try. Learn, test, and protect your network. Number 6 is Hydra, the king of brute force login attacks. Hydra targets services like SSH, FTP, HTTP, and more, slamming username and password combos until it breaks in. It's fast, customizable, and supports parallel connections for maximum efficiency. Penetration testers love Hydra for checking real-world defenses. Open source and updated regularly, it's a favorite for red teams everywhere. Only use Hydra on systems you own or have permission to test. With great power comes great responsibility. Don't misuse it. Test your defenses with Hydra. Burp Suite Community Edition is a must-have for web hackers. Intercept, modify, and analyze all traffic between your browser and any website. Find vulnerabilities like XSS and SQL injection, and tweak requests in ways browsers can't. The free Community Edition gives you core features to start learning and testing. Tons of plugins and tutorials make it easy to master. If you want to break into web hacking, start with Burp Suite. At number 8, Nikto, a fast, free website vulnerability scanner. Point Nikto at any site and it scans for thousands of known issues in minutes. Lightweight, command line based, and easy to automate, Nikto is perfect for regular security checks. Open source and updated constantly, it's trusted by security pros everywhere. Don't wait for a hack. Scan your site with Nikto and fix weak spots now. Stay ahead of attackers with Nikto. SQLmap automates the hunt for SQL injection flaws in websites and apps. Just point it at a target URL, and SQLmap tests, exploits, and can even dump databases if vulnerabilities exist. It's a favorite for both attackers and defenders to see how exposed a site really is. User-friendly, open source, and packed with features for all skill levels. Only use SQLmap on sites you own or have permission to test. Responsible hacking is key. Protect your data with SQLmap. Now, let's talk about hacking people. SET is the ultimate social engineering toolkit. Craft phishing emails, clone websites, and create fake login portals to test human vulnerabilities. Security teams use SET to train employees and test how easily they can be tricked. Highly customizable, SET automates multi-step campaigns and integrates with tools like Metasploit. Use it for ethical testing and education only, never to harm or deceive. SET brings social engineering to a new level. Understand the human side of hacking with SET. Use it to educate and protect. Meet Hashcat, the world's fastest password cracker, using your GPU for insane speed. Supports nearly every hash type, from MD5 to SHA-3 and more. Run brute force, dictionary, or hybrid attacks, and even distribute cracking across multiple machines. Free, open source, and packed with advanced features for serious password testing. Only use Hashcat for ethical hacking and security testing. See how fast passwords can fall with Hashcat. Finally, Maltego, a full-blown intelligence platform for mapping relationships and hidden links online. Start with a name, email, or domain, and Maltego builds a visual map of connections using public data, social media, and more. Used by investigators and cyber sleuths, it automates deep investigations and integrates with other tools. The free community edition is packed with features for exploring the hidden web. Real-world investigators use Maltego every day. Discover the power of open-source intelligence with Maltego. It's like having a digital detective agency at your fingertips. That's the 12 most powerful free hacking tools of 2026. Use them ethically, only on systems you own or have permission to test. The world needs more defenders, not cybercriminals. If you learned something new, subscribe and comment your favorite tool. Stay curious, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.